At Pipe Restoration Solutions, we specialize in inversion lining, a smart, trenchless way to restore large diameter pipes, all without the mess or cost of digging. Here's how it works. First, we perform a high-resolution camera inspection using a tractor-mounted camera. We enter through existing access points like manholes or catch basins, capturing clear, detailed footage to assess the pipe's condition and identify any damage or buildup. Next, we clean the pipe using our combo jet vac truck. This is where high water pressure jets break up debris like roots, grease, and other obstructions from sewer lines, all while simultaneously a powerful vacuum system removes the waste, preventing contamination and ensuring a clean, prepped surface. Once clean, we load a pre-saturated liner into our Top Gun machine. Pressurized air then inverts the liner into the pipe, which allows for a smooth, continuous installation that conforms tightly to that pipe's interior. Steam is then introduced to initiate the curing process, hardening the liner into a strong, seamless pipe within a pipe. Finally, we use a precision robotic cutter to reinstate the lateral connections. The result? A fully restored structural pipe that's built to last, all without the hassle of excavation. For further cost-effective trenchless solutions to pipe restoration, contact us today at prspipe.com.